Got paper? Are your organization's processes disconnected, leaving you to connect and pick up processes manually? Are you ready for workflows to be automated so they don't bottleneck your desk or someone else's? At Flowtrics, we want to build a better experience by bringing workflow automation and enterprise content management to the educational environment. Even the best technology institutions in the world share this similar problem. Currently, institutions have electronic PDFs that can be downloaded online, but from that point, they go through a manual process of downloading, printing, filling, signing, scanning, and then emailing, repeating this process to all parties involved until the documents get back to a specific location, like the registrar. In other situations, documents get passed around internally with the same problems, and this starts stacking up from desk to desk. It has always been a complex process with no solution, and now this difficulty is growing, with many educational systems having a strong push for online platforms. So teachers, students, deans, and faculty are affected because they are not always in close proximity to each other. Stage Flowtrics. Flowtrics is a cloud-based automation tool that fundamentally changes and automates the workflow and paper flow documentation in any organization. In the registrar example, there are currently downloadable PDFs online, but with Flowtrics, you replace all PDF URLs with all new form URLs that will trigger the form flow. It is a simple URL change, allowing a document to be clicked, predefined relationship selected, and just like that, start a flow. When the template is originally created, everyone in the flow is assigned into a single group or placed within multiple groups to be triggered when it is their turn. This trigger assures everyone receives and finishes their part in an organized process. Data can be sent to Flowtrics from the form being filled, or data can be auto-populated from Flowtrics to the known data fields of the form to dramatically decrease input time. When finished, it automatically goes to the registrar or the proper location. This is one scenario. However, Flowtrics also creates a nice process for bundling together multiple internal as well as external form processes, like documents, forms, follow-ups, and tasks that need to be done automatically together as one process. Flowtrics creates a URL that triggers a nice process for managing the external form processes for people outside of Flowtrics. This is just one case, and we have not touched on HR or other programs within the education system. Anything done in Flowtrics can be done on any electronic device and can completely automate every process. Okay, I'm excited, you say, but you want to know more about the details. All right, let's do it. Flowtrics gives a toolbox to create 3 different form processes that will make any type of form needed. First, we have PDF forms. These are traditional documents that need to remain documents, with signatures affixed to them. Second is tabular forms, which are documents that can remain open over time to accumulate data and multiple signatures on a tab or table style format. And finally, third, we have HTML forms. These are web-based forms that allow for everything else that doesn't need to be a physical document at the end, but that can also aggregate and show all data filled in the form. All the tools needed available to create your own forms are built into this system. With the ability to create a one-time, simple template, a user can reuse that template over and over again. In addition, communicate with anyone, anywhere directly from the system on the process or anything needed to help facilitate that process. Finally, Flowtrics allows you to easily manage your departments, the people within those departments, and the custom fields you want for autofilling and tracking. The ability to create your own data allows you to dynamically customize, monitor, and evaluate all data in the future from all types of forms. Security. It's our top priority. The roles and permissions are a critical feature that allows you to manage what the organization has access to. Furthermore, documents and data are securely encrypted when they're shared, in transit, and at rest. So rest assured that your data and documents are safe. Make the change to Flowtrics means making a change that just makes things easier with workflow automation. From everyone at Flowtrics, we thank you for taking the time to learn more about our software.